Hey guys, I'm Kevin with Lifestyle Overland, and today I'm coming to you with a really quick tip on one of our most favorite mapping and navigation apps on the market, and that is Gaia GPS. Now, they just sent out an email literally yesterday that said they had reached an agreement with a website called trailsoffroad.com. And the reason this is exciting is because it's going to make things a heck of a lot easier for you when you're trying to come up with some ideas on where you want to overland next. So let's take about 2 minutes here, dive right in and show you how your next trip can be a heck of a lot easier using the database found at trailsoffroad.com and your Gaia GPS account. All right, here we go. Well, we are at the Trails Offroad website. Just going to sign up with a free membership here. So on the website, they're going to give you two different options. You get the free account, and then you also have the all access, which for $25 a year is not bad considering all the information that you're going to be getting. We're going to go with the free account though for this one right here, just to show you a handful of ideas for your own adventures. All right, let's jump into the Explore now, and let's just pick a spot here. So the different ones are going to be tagged whether or not they're part of the premium plan or part of the free plan. So these are the ones that we can't get access to, and generally that's because there's just a lot more information found in those files. All right, so let's check out this Kimball Draw Cat Canyon. Let's go jump in the information page. It's even got ratings, and looks like these icons give you some ideas of what can be found along the trail. Again, the premium access is going to give you a lot more information than this. We got some pictures, and look at this, we even got a video. So if you want to browse through some of the highlights, you'll be able to take a look at what the trail looks like in general, get an idea of the nearby terrain. That is super handy, especially if you're going in blind. Now, if you're sitting back east right now and you're planning your trip out west, this is a gold mine of information right here. That's pretty cool. All right, let's show you how easy it is to get this straight over to your Gaia. Now, I'm assuming you have a Gaia account already, and you're just going to hit, boom, upload to Gaia. It's going to ask for a quick authorization. We're going to authorize. Upload it to Gaia GPS. Cool. All right, let's jump over to Gaia and see what we got. And there it is, just as quick as that. That information is dropped right into our Gaia account. That is super handy. And it was that easy. So if you're looking for some quick ideas to drop into your Gaia without having to plan out any of the travels, it's already done for you, and you can get some more information on difficulty level and what other highlights you might see along the way. Super easy. That was a great move, Gaia. Good job. All right, quick little bonus round here. If you are a patron of Lifestyle Overland, we share all of our coordinates on the platform. So let's jump in here and I'll show you really quick how you can add the same type of information to your Gaia account. So up here at the top on the website, you're going to see some tags. So GPS waypoints, GPS tracks, those two are going to get you the straightest path to a lot of our information. So as you know, we've spent a lot of time in New Mexico. We have a lot of really cool waypoints and campsites saved in here. So let's just go and click View and Download New Mexico Waypoints. All right, and now that we're in here, we're just going to click Add to My Folders. And we're done. So let's jump back to the map, see if it locked in, and there you go. All of our New Mexico waypoints. Easy as that. So whether you're pulling this information from trailsoffroad.com or you're a patron and you want to grab some of our epic camps and some of our tracks as well, that's a quick and easy way to snag them. All right, that's it. Easy peasy. Simple as that. Now, whether you have the free edition, the membership, or the premium, that process will work with every single one of those membership levels. But I highly recommend that you jump straight into the premium. There is so much information there, and it really is inexpensive when you consider all the information that you're getting with that premier package. So don't forget to go to GaiaGPS.com/lifestyleoverland for a pretty decent discount, and you can catch up on some of our other videos right from that page as well. So until next time, stay curious.